Hello guys, my name is Ankit and I teach you Python, especially the programming part. Let's see. We are creating a program that's generate random password, right? First of all, I'll highly suggest you to program this thing by your own. If you don't know, yeah, or if you came to watch the full video, let's see how to do that. First, you have to import two things, right? Import random for the randomness, and after that import string. Let's define the length of the password. Length that will be 12. And now let's make a function. As you know, function starts with def, like def keyword, def generate password. Here we will pass the length, the password length, that would be this, or just do it as it is. Like, wait, I'm changing this length. Alright, this length is as argument. After that, let's make first the characters. Characters is equal to string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits. After that, string dot punctuation. In string dot ASCII letters, it contains all the alphabets of like small alphabets to capital alphabets, all it contains. And in string dot digits, it contains all the numbers from 0 to 9. And string dot punctuations, it contains all your symbols. Example, exclamatory signs, or at the rate, has, dollar sign, percentage sign, etc. All those symbols that are here. Alright. After that, password is equal to random dot choice, and here we will pass the character. Yeah. After that, we will just loop it for the length of the password. Like, it will just loop for the 12 times as we mentioned here, length. For that, for I in range, alright, this is the argument that we passed. Let's close this, and here we will just join all the generated things, all the generated letters, digits, and punctuations, that is symbols. After that, just return the password. That's good. For ending the function, we'll just give a print generate password, and here let's pass the argument length. Alright, now as you can see, this is the basic code. Let's run that. Let's see it is working or not. Yeah, as you can see, the password came here. Wait a sec, I'll just print generated password is generated password, and as argument let's pass the length. Now let's run that. Yeah, the generated password is as you can see, like this is of length 12, right? As we mentioned, length 12. It has to be the length of 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yeah, it is of length 12. Let's say I want to have the length up to 5. Let's check it is running or not. It is giving the correct answer or not. Let's run that. Yeah, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. It contains 5 characters. Let's run that. As you can see, this is not giving the same passwords. That means this is generating again and again and giving random passwords, right? So our code is done. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.